Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the previous year question of jigs and fixtures. All the previous year questions will be solved here. Now let's move to question number 1. In case of 3 to 1 method in a jigs and fixtures, the value of n degrees, the n will be 9. Question number 2. A device which holds and locates a workpiece during an inspection or for a manufacturing operation is known as, answer will be fixture. Question number 3. Diamond pin location is used in a fixture because it takes care of any variation in center distance between two holes. Question number 4. A diamond pin is used in conjunction with a round locator for radial location in a jig because question number 5. In the 3 to 1 principle of fixture design, 3 refers to the number of locators on the primary datum face. Question number 6. A device which holds and locates a workpiece during an inspection or for a manufacturing operation but does not guide the tool is called fixtures. We have to remind here, fixture does not guide the tool. Question number 7. Which of the following is not true in case of jigs and fixtures? Fast production speed is not possible. Question number 8. A diamond locating pin is used in jigs and fixtures because it helps in assembly with tolerance on central distance. Which of the following operation does not use a jig? That is turning operation. Question number 10. The jig bush most used in jigs is, the answer will be headed drill bush. Question number 11. Dash jig is a type of drill jig. Leaf jig is a type of drill jig. Question number 12. Which of the following is work holding device used in lathes? Answer will be A. Chuck. Question number 13. Which of the following can hold the work, locate the work, and guide the drill at the desired position? That will be drill jig. Question number 14. Jigs cannot be used in melee. Question number 15. When a cylindrical is located in V block, how many number of degree of freedom will be restricted? The answer will be 7. Question number 16. V blocks are used for clamping as well as locating when faces are inclined up to, the answer will be 3 degrees. Question number 17. Complex irregular 3-dimensional surface can be located using the following method. The answer will be nesting. Question number 18. The type of locator used to prevent jamming during locating of a workpiece is, answer will be spherical locator. Question number 19. The simplest and low-cost clamp used in jigs and fixtures is a strap clamp. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a work holding device? V block is a work holding device. Chuck is a work holding device. Steady rest is a work holding device. So answer will be none of the above. Question number 21. Drill jigs are used to hold a workpiece when a drilling and reaming only, counterboring and counter sinking, spot facing and tapping only. So the answer will be all three mentioned here. Question number 22. The principle most commonly followed to locating workpieces in a fixture is answer number 3, 3, 2, 1. The selection of non-traditional machining firmly so that the required operations like drilling for a particular application depends on all the above. So it depends on physical parameters of the process, shapes to be machined, and process capability. Question number 24. Which of the following locating device is used to locate cylindrical jobs? The answer will be V blocks. Question number 25. Dash is not a clamping device used in jigs and fixtures. Answer will be diamond pin. Diamond pin is not a clamping device. Question number 26. If the diameter of the hole is subjected to considerable variation, then for location in jigs and fixtures, the pressure type of locator used is conical locator. Answer will be conical locator. Question number 27. Consider the following statement regarding fixtures employed for holding workpiece during machining. The location is based on 3-2-1 principle. That's right. The number refers to pins employed in three mutually perpendicular planes to arrest all degrees of freedom. That is correct answer. Fixtures also provides the tool guidance. It's not right. So 1 and 2 is the right answer. Question number 28. Locator duplication not only cost dash but also could cause dash. So the answer will be locator of duplication not only cost more but also could cause inaccuracies. The B will be right answer. To accurately locate a part in a jig or fixture, movements must be restricted. This is done with answer will locators and clamps. When holes are to be drilled in several faces in a small workpiece, so dash is used. So answer will be box jig is used. Question number 31. How a jig differs from a fixture in its true form. Jig is a locator, G as a holder, G as a supporter. So with all the above guides the tool or cutter. The answer will be D. Jigs are not used in one of the following. Safety. Renewable drill bushes are a type of dash elements of jig design. This will be tool guiding elements of jig design. Question number 34. Dash is the dimensional and positional relationship between the workpiece and the cutting tool. The answer will be locating is the dimensional and positional relationship between the workpiece and the cutting tool. Consider the following statements regarding jigs and fixtures and identify the one which is not true. Elements of jigs are body, clamping and locating devices and also tool guide. It is correct. Elements of fixtures are body, clamping and locating devices. It is correct. Fixtures are usually massive and heavier in construction and bolted rigidly on machine table. It's also correct. Now, jig is a device which can hold and locate the medium and heavier size of workpieces. It is not correct. So the answer will be D. (36) Use of jigs and fixtures leads to high initial cost. The purpose of jigs and fixtures is to increase machining accuracy, facilitate interchangeability, decrease cost on quality control. So the answer will be all of this. Question number 38. A jig is defined as a device which holds and locates a workpiece and guides and controls one or more cutting tools. Option A. Option A is the right answer. Question number 39. The floating position of the holding fixture in a rotary transfer device is used to improve the accuracy of location. So question number 40. The jigs and fixture are used for option A. Reducing the cost of manufacture. B. Facilitating interchangeability, increasing productivity and accuracy. Option C. Accuracy and removal of chip. Option D. Increasing productivity and allowing rest of time to operator. So the correct answer will be B. Facilitating interchangeability, increasing productivity and accuracy. Question number 41. Bench vise is an example of, the answer will be fixture. Question number 42. The following fixture is used to guide tools for machining contours which the machine cannot follow normally. So the answer will be profile fixture. Question number 43. The following is not true for jigs. The options are: these are used on drilling operation. B. This guides the tools. C. These hold the components. D. Increased machining accuracy. The answer will be these hold the components. Question number 44. In order to locate rectangular block in a jig or fixture accurately, the following number of movements must be restricted. Option B 12. Match the following: the components used and function. So in case of jack pin, to locate workpiece whose dimensions are subject to variation. V locator, to locate the circular or semicircular objects in a jig, a fixture. Next, bushes, to guide the drill bit during machining. And for diamond pin, for accommodating the variation in the distance of a hole from a plane surface. Question number 46. In 3-to-1 principle of jig design, three hemispherical pins are provided in base. Identify the wrong statement in this regard. Option A, it ensures machining in one plane. Option B, it arrests 5 degrees of freedom. C, it positions the tool. Option D, for heavier workpieces, we use 3 hemispherical plugs. So option C will be the correct answer. It positions the tool. Question number 47. Which is a device for holding and locating components for specific operation and also guide tools? The answer will be jigs. Thank you everyone. If anyone have any doubt regarding any questions, can comment in the comment box.